Welcome back to the tech shop, and today we're not going to be working from here. We're going to be heading over to Lindsay's house from Garage B. We're going to be giving him a hand upgrading his computer with some new hardware that he picked up. He's going from an i5-3570K and 16 gigabytes of DDR3 running at 2133 megahertz, and he's upgrading all the way to a de-lidded and liquid metalled 8700K with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 running at 3000 megahertz, and he's also swapping his boot drive to a 250 gigabyte NVMe M.2. So without wasting any more time, let's take off into this. Okay, so right now I'm headed over to the infamous Garage B, and we're going to be helping Lindsay installing all the new parts for his computer. So let's take off. I just showed up. We're gonna head in there and we're gonna help Lindsay fix that computer, and then they can start pumping out some more content. Let's get changing that motherboard, CPU, RAM, get Windows installed on that new M.2. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into that.
Oh, we need tools.
The only good thing I bought this little computer tool kit when I was a little kid.
Oh my god, it's in the power supply. This is like an original 1080 Ti that some guy farmed on for like 3 years. So it needs a little love.
I think I have to take my entire rod out.
Yep.
Oh, god damn it, this is a big job.
Oh, my fingers.
I saw the plastic on the label. It's like 8 years old.
Here's the spare power supply that we're going to be using. So we're going to hook that up to the pumps, that way we can start draining the loop. And this is a paper clip and the green and black wire to bridge power so it turns on. And that's the first drain. So now we can get into the rest of this. So right now we're just draining enough out of the reservoir that we can open it sideways, because then when we take that screw out of the top, the fill hole here, yeah, so just get in there and diddle that thing.
Oh my god, this screwdriver's totally not big enough.
Perfect.
I need a kitchen knife. Close. Right here. This is a special tool. Oh my god, I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh my god, I gotta strap it. Wow, who the f tightened this? Danger.
We record at ISO 1600. Or ISO, sorry.
Eyesore?
I don't know, there's a bunch of YouTube comments.
Imagine you build a PC and that's the fitting that you use. You're like, yeah, I'm gonna use these on everything. I'm killing myself.
There's a special place in hell for people like that.
Board's got some serious weight to it. This was back when boards were boards.
What?
Oh, it stinks.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, that totally is super corrosive. Some type of heavy-duty solvent. It f***ing
Right
reeks.
up, it's
Yeah,
I could smell
that's
it.
oven cleaner.
Just dump that stuff out and see if it's all gross.
No.
Nope, nothing. Okay, that didn't work at all. Let's take it apart. So next time, And Lindsay building a computer. We'll catch up on him at the hospital when he's gonna get his skin cracked.
Yeah, it's seriously burning. Hopefully that stuff doesn't seals up.
Oh, it probably does.
Yeah. Well, no, it's supposed to be in a vehicle.
What kind of vehicle are you working on?
Goddamn hoggers. Toothbrush from the bathroom. Do you want to just put vinegar in there since it seems to be doing something, or you want to put vinegar and rag wash and see what happens?
Oh, dude, everything.
I think we should just use vinegar.
Well, I mean, like, aside from you being right, I'm gonna disagree. Just because I want to see it all.
Oh, I should make it boiling hot water, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just leave the hot water boiling hot, right? Yeah. Hot water.
Dude, I got my f***ing water heater cranked, okay? Cavitation. More vinegar. It's like f***ing blue.
Wow, yeah, the color changed really fast.
I don't know if that's a good thing, if I'm just like ripping off some type of f***ing material inside the rad.
Well, if you look at this one here, the corrosion turned blue.
That's true, it is very loosely blue.
So like...
Oh yeah, there we go.
You're still gonna use that toothbrush though, right?
Yeah, the toothbrush just took out of my bathroom. I don't have another one. I think I'm a f***ing millionaire.
Here, hold that one up against this one. The clean line. Oh my god. The water block's coming out good.
The water going in is...
Wait.
There we go.
Perfect. Yeah, so flush it again with the distilled, because that'll get rid of the tap water that's in there.
Yeah. Put this back together.
Yeah, nice and clean.
There we go. I don't have proper torque specs for this.
So exactly
Finger tight.
finger tight.
This is my first time with 1150, whatever it is.
1151.
Oh my god, I'm gonna break it. Oh, it's not centered. I'm gonna message the guy and be like, dude, I appreciate the CPU, but this f***ing motherboard, holy.
There we go.
I have no clue where he's going. Oh, there's a little screw there. A little mounty screw. Oh my god, yeah, that's like a special screw. I'm not gonna lose that into the power supply.
Yeah, I'm allergic to success as well.
It's not even a cool piece of hardware. You don't even see it. It looks like it's part of the motherboard. That's not fun.
That is even mounting pressure right there.
I can't believe it works.
Recycling the cleaned lines.
That's the last one, the one that's messed up.
Yeah.
So I have to find one, hopefully.
Yeah, because the other two had these stupid clamps. Oh. I was hoping you're gonna lean it that way and it's gonna come flying out. You're like, oh no, it's leaking. Oh. Wait, is it on?
Yeah.
Sounds like a deep fryer.
You should sell these on your store.
Kitchen knife, water, cooling tools.
Yeah.
Steph's coffee cup.
It's a crucial part in this.
Kitchen, water, cooling, opener, tool.
Okay, I gotta bring a pop stuff. It's just gonna kill me.
Wasn't that like an hour ago?
Yeah.
Oh god. Well, that was it for Lindsay, guys. Well, it was nice knowing you.
Yeah, I got that.
Just messing right up. Just pretend he's plugging down here. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Plug these fans in, I guess.
One right there. That's probably the CPU one.
Yeah.
You got two down here.
Yeah. So those can't be used for anything because nothing reaches.
Okay, this is
I'm gonna message you like this motherboard sucks.
So next time on Lindsay buys parts from Montreal through a sketchy website. At least your mining 1080 works fine. Let's take this apart. Let's take the screws out on the side. Now we're gonna do the back, and there's two on the other side. So the housing is loose now, but we gotta take those screws out right here. And there's one on the other side there because that actually holds it down on there, and then we should be able to take the entire thing off. So you can see that's loose, but these things have to come straight up, and there's this little lip right here, so I'm actually going to take this off first. So there's two screws there, and then there's three here, the smaller ones. They're all Phillips, so I'm just going to take that panel off. So I take that screw on the bottom, and this one on the top is staying in. Because there's a nut on there that spins, and that's going to be a nightmare to get back in. So now we have room to move. There we go. Now we can take the heatsink off. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, tuck those out. Now we're going to hold the heatsink, flip this over. There we go, so that should just come right, yep, there we go. Awesome. Now let's change the goop. Okay, so let's put these on. Done.
It's such a loose hole. You know how tight my board is? My Asus board? When I put that in there, it like squeaks. This board just lets any graphics card in. What? You're laughing at my board?
No. We put the wrong graphics card in. So, want some of the good stuff?
Do you got it?
Only the freshest.
Gotta keep that shit low, dude. Please power down and connect PCI power cables or graphics card. That's not a good start. Oh, you unplugged it, Dad.
Okay, so let's plug that pump in.
That's fairly important. There we go, 25.
Idling at 49 degrees before.
Memories at 3000 megahertz. Okay, so just save and exit.
Yep. And then boot to the USB drive.
Oh, The shit would automatically boot to that?
Yeah, because there shouldn't be anything on the NVMe. It'll just pick the USB by default.
This BIOS sucks, by the way.
Yep. Gigabyte BIOSes are terrible. I'm so salty.
I'm very salty.
Okay. Go to time and currency format. English Canada. You didn't even read? And then that drive there, just click next, because it's already unallocated space. That's it. Windows installing. Now we wait. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Wow. My internet doesn't even load as fast. There we go. That's ridiculous.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. As you noticed from the video, the motherboard that he ended up getting wasn't exactly to par with the rest of the performance of the computer. So there is going to be another part to that, or rather a recap on that build, where we're going to be changing the motherboard to the new one. And I can assure you that the motherboard that he's looking at is going to be excellent by comparison. If you don't know GarageBee, I highly suggest you go look at their channel. They do a lot of great content building race cars. And if you thought any portion of this build today was comical, GarageBee is on a different level. I'm leaving a link to their channel down in the description, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, dislike. Let me know in the comments future videos that you want to see or things that I could change up to make your experience a little bit better. But as for me, I'll see you guys tomorrow for an update with Warranty Wednesday.